I'm sitting out here about 9 o'clock at night. It's about 60, no, I'd say 70 degrees. And I have the light in my shed on. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock at night, and we've got like a 3/4 full moon. But there's no wind, it's okay. I got one of these. Let's go over and put that in the light. Got my wheel balancer, my tool chest, all kinds of other crap that's sitting there from this winter because it's been just too damn cold to move everything. There is my ZTR clutch removal tool. I got a really nice stereo pieces down here. Really expensive wood that I've collected from my last job. All of this golden wood that you see is teak. Okay, and if you know anything about wood, teak is not cheap. And this is where I've taken teak and bloodwood, which is right here. You can't see it that well, but it's really, it looks like blood. And I've taken this purple wood is Purple Heart. I've taken that. I've been trying to make some really cool chessboards and things with it, but that was last year. And that big piece right there is Paduk. So the new tires I'm going to put on are these. I've had these for a few years now. Let me put this right here. These are Metzler's. And Metzler used to make really good tires. The Metzler name is really good, except that these are made in... What the fuck are they made at? Doesn't say right there. It says somewhere. I don't know, but they're, oh, made in Brazil, right there. Okay, Metzler are German. They should be made in Germany. And I painted these Metzler deals with, I got some oil pins from, it's making so much noise. Quit making noise, damn it. These are white markers I got for 99 cents. Marks on anything oil-based, and these are really good for these kind of tires because they stretch a little bit because they're oil-based. But I imagine these will crack out just like my Prairie Rallies cracked out. And what I'm going to do is take these Metzlers, and there's another. There's another one down here that I've had for, these I've had for a few years. Like I said, I've worked for the last 5 years at this job where I just could not spend any time doing anything because I was just working, getting home, going to sleep and starting up again. And then as soon as I told them, look, I can't do it anymore, they just threw me away. So if you fuck them. You know, and you young guys out there, get a union job and fuck these non-union jobs. They're worthless. So on these two tires, 1 and 2, I'm going to put my brand new rims on them. And these are the old rims, which are fine. But I'm going to put on brand new rims, and then I'm going to take these weights right here, which I got at Les Schwab Tire, and I'm going to put these weights on the rims right here. And I'm going to have my tires really balanced to see if it increases the speed and less vibration. I'm sure that will increase the speed and less vibration of my new engine. It's kind of neat out here. It's like I say, 9 o'clock at night. It's old. There's no wind. There's no rain. It's warm. There's no bugs, and just kind of homey. But this is just a point in my life, a moment in my life that you're getting to see, and none of it's staged or prop managed or movie directed, and I have shit everywhere. And I'm thinking, how can I put all this together and make it work, and get that engine over there and make it work? I have a bunch of doubts. And I'll have doubts until it starts. But until I start the engine, and this fucking idiot next door, he's a liberal fucking dumbass, puts these Christmas lights up all year long. Dumbass. Anyway, I will continue and build a bike right. We're at video 249. It may go to 500. I don't know. I just want to get it done here within the next couple of weeks so I can ride it. That's what I want to do. Okay, I'm pushing 60. I'm getting tired. I'm going to finish my beer and go to bed. I have to work in the morning. Alright. DIOSpeedDEMON. Rock on.